Hi guys, this is Mr. Pharma. If you're a pharma graduate or a pharma professional, you may already know about CDSU. But how much do you know about CDSU? So let's today see an overview of CDSU. Welcome guys, this is Pharma Portal, the pharma you need to know, share and grow. So, CDSCO stands for the Central Drugs Standard Control Organization, which is India's national regulatory body for regulating the cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and medical devices. Like how the European Medicine Agency is there for European Union, the MHRA for the UK, FDA for United States, CDSCO serves a similar function to India. Its headquarters is located at FDA Bhavan, Kotla Road, New Delhi, and it has 6 zonal offices and 4 sub-zonal offices and 13 port offices and 7 labs spread across the country. It has 8 divisions to regulate the cosmetics, pharmaceuticals and medical devices and etc. And Mr. Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister, and Mr. Mansukh Mandaviya, Minister of Health and Family Welfare, are responsible ministers, and Dr. V.G. Somani, the Drug Controller General of India, is the organization executive. The annual budget is around 3,358 crore rupees, which is equivalent to 420 million US dollars for the year of 2021 to 2022. So that's a quite high budget, right? So what are the goals of CDSCO? CDSCO's main objective is to bring out the transparency, accountability and uniformity in its services in order to ensure safety, efficacy and quality of medicinal products manufactured, imported and distributed in the country. Under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act, CDSCO is responsible for approval of drugs, conduct of clinical trials, laying down of standards for drugs, control over the quality of the imported drugs in the country, and coordination of activities of the State Drug Control Organization by providing their expert advice with a view of bringing about uniformity in the enforcement of Drugs and Cosmetics Act. Further, CDSO along with the state regulators is jointly responsible for granting of the license of certain specialized categories of critical drugs such as blood and blood products, IV fluids, vaccines and sera etc.
What are the main functions of CDSCO? The main functions of CDSCO is approval of new drugs and approval of clinical trials. It also involves in the import registration activities and licensing. And licensing includes approval of blood banks, LVPs, vaccines, rDNA products, and some medical devices. They also involve in granting of test license, personal license, no objection certificate for export, etc. They also involve in amendments of Drugs and Cosmetic Act. They have the right of banning drugs and cosmetics and testing of new drugs. The functions include oversight and market surveillance through Inspectorate of Center over and above the state authority. What are the divisions of CDSCO? CDSCO has 8 divisions. The first division is new drug, and second division is BA and BE, and third division is biologicals, fourth one is the medical device and diagnostic, and fifth one is the clinical trial division, sixth import and registration division, and seventh is drugs technical advisory board and drugs consultative committee division, and the eighth is the cosmetics division. So now let us see the divisions of CDSCO in detail. The first division is the new drugs, which involves in the processing of applications received for new drug approval. They review and provide the approval as per Schedule Y, and they also review and handle RTI, and they also handle and monitor safety of the approved medicinal products for marketing in the country based on the documents like PSUR, SAE reports, complaints received, etc. and so many more. The second division is the bioavailability and bioequivalence division, which involves in ensuring the demonstration of the safety and tolerability of generics against the corresponding innovator drugs to ensure that they are comparable and safe for consumption by human subjects. The third division is the biological division. The biological division involves in the grant of NOC for issuance of manufacture of drugs for the purpose of examination, test or analysis of vaccines, marketing authorization, etc. Biological products are biologics or medicinal products. Many biologics are made from variety of natural sources such as human, animal, microorganism, etc. Its function involves in regulating the human vaccines, rDNA products, stem cells and cell-based products, blood and blood products, and finally veterinary products also. So the next division is the Medical Devices and Diagnostic Division, which involves in the granting of test license, import license, or loan license to manufacture or sale, or for distribution, or to manufacture for test evaluation, clinical investigations, etc. The next division is the Clinical Trial Division, which ensures the protection of the rights and safety of the well-being of human subjects, which involves in the clinical trial. This division mainly involves in the approval of the clinical trial. The next division is the Import and Registration Division, which involves the issuance of a registration certificate for import license, no objection certification, repacking permissions, and processing for the post-approval change application. Whenever there is a import or export of a drug, then Import and Registration Division is mainly involved. The next division is the Drug Technical Advisory Board and Drug Consultative Committee Division. This division deals with organizing and convening meetings and to advise the central government and the state governments on technical matters arising out of the administration of the Drugs and Cosmetics Act. The next important division is the Cosmetic Division. This division mainly involves in the scrutiny of the applications relating to registration of the cosmetic products for the import into the country as per the requirement in the Drugs and Cosmetics Act. There is another important division which is not a main division of the CDSCO but functions as a separate division, which is called the Central Drug Testing Laboratories Division. The main functions of CDSCO Labs involves in the collection and storage and distribution of international standards or international reference preparations for drugs and pharmaceutical substances, and they also prepare national reference standards and maintain such standards, and they also train drug analysts and training the World Health Organization fellows from abroad. They also advise the Central Drug Control Administration in respect of quality and toxicity. They also work out on the analytical specifications for the preparation of monographs for the Indian Pharmacopoeia and the homeopathic Pharmacopoeia. They also undertake analytical research on standardization and methodology of drugs and cosmetics. They also do analysis of cosmetics received as a survey samples from Central Drug Standard Control Organization, and they do a quick analysis of life-saving drugs, etc. Okay, finally, now let us see how to join in CDSCO. In order to join CDSCO, first you need to check the official notification released by CDSCO in their website by clicking on the notification button and click vacancies. After that, you should check the eligibility criteria which is given in the official notification PDF. You should only apply after you meet the eligibility criteria. Once you applied, the CDSCO will shortlist the eligible candidates and will intimate them to appear for the exam. Finally, you can join CDSCO if you qualify the exam and other selection process set by CDSCO. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Let us see in another exciting video. Hope you liked this video. Encourage us by hitting the like button. If you have any question, post it in the comments and share this video to your friends and family. Most importantly, subscribe and press the bell icon for regular notifications from our Pharma portal channel. Bye.